Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. So can you see this huge box here, and I'm just unboxing it. It's so huge that it's not coming on my table. So I'm just unboxing it and then I will reveal all the things one by one on my desk. So yay, I've got this beautiful dream cut machine by Little Birdie. And can you see this? I'm super duper excited to show you all. So along with the dream cut machine, I got some more things in the same package. So first I will share all the other things and then I will jump to the dream cut machine. So I just taken out everything and then I'm starting with my first paper pack, that is called Mandala Aura. This is acid free cardstock having 12 sheets, and each sheet is having 250 GSM thickness. And this is metallic cardstock having beautiful designs in this. Can you see the shine on each paper? I'm just loving each and every design, very unique than each other. And you will also get some scripted background along with the mandala design. So beautiful. You just need to attach this paper, add some flowers, and you are good to go. So these are 12 beautiful designs having in Mandala Aura paper pack. Then the next paper pack is Boho Dreams. It is also having 12 designs in 12 by 12 inches size, and this is also 250 GSM in thickness. So in this pack you will get some beautiful dream catcher designs and some unicorn designs along with floral decorations. And you can use these cardstocks for scrapbooks or card making, tag making, anything. And along with this you will also get this doily cutouts. You just need to pop it out and ready to use. And you have some journaling pages or tags. These are also ready to use. You just need to cut this, and this is having full of sentiment sheets. And also you will get some beautiful elements in this. You just need to fussy cut it and use it anywhere. And this beautiful feather design, this wooden design, very unique patterns. This is some polka dots, and this is a beautiful floral design along with some color splashes. So this is all about the Boho Dreams paper pack. Then I got these flower making paper in 230 GSM thickness, and these packs contains 4 sheets. So I have 2 packs of this, and also I have one pack which is 130 GSM in thickness and having 7 sheets in each pack. So you can create beautiful paper flowers using these papers. Then I also got some beautiful dies from their store called thin cut dies in floral pattern, leaf pattern, some foliage patterns, and also this beautiful chevron pattern background die. I'm very excited to use all these dies. Then I have this beautiful Glitzy pastel stack. This is actually thick card sheets which are glittery and having 6 sheets in this pack. Each color you will get 4 sheets. Some beautiful pastel shades like blues, greens, pool colors, then baby pink colors. And can you see the shine into this? How gorgeous this is looking. Then all-time favorite silver one and the golden one. These are 6 by 6 inches in size. Then I have these bloom foam-iran sheets. So I have this in white color, and each pack you will get 4 sheets. This is having 0.7 mm thickness. Very good to create foam-iran flowers. And along with this I got this green color pack, which is assorted green color pack. You will get 4 different green shades into this. So you can create beautiful flowers using these foam sheets for your foam-iran projects. Now coming back to my favorite dream cut machine, And this is wonderful manual embossing and die cutting machine. You can create variety of materials like cardstock, foam, burlap, fabric, felt, canvas, etc. You can emboss cardstocks, foam, fabric, canvas, felt, glitter sheets, and many more things. So this is actually a desire to get beautiful dream cut machine by little birdie, and now I'm just unboxing it in front of you. I'm super duper excited to use this. So first of all, I got this cutting pads, and then it is beautifully and neatly packed. So I have to remove the thermocols from both the sides, which are for the support for machine. So I just removed it. The machine is quite sturdy, heavy, and neatly designed, and very handy and compact. I'm just loving the color combination as well. And along with the machine, you will get the handle. And to fix this handle, you will get the screw and the pin and the finishing knob. So first you have to attach the handle on right side on the knob, then attach the screw, just rotate it. And to fix the screw, you just need to insert the pin which is given and rotate in one direction to make it tight. And your handle is fixed. Ta-da! Very easy. And now for the finishing, just attach this pool color knob onto this, and it will look like this. And ta-da! Your machine is ready to use. And keep this pin safely with you, because you may need it in future if your handle get loose. So now I am just taking out all these plates from the bag. It's nicely packed. You have C plate, then you have B plate, then one more B plate, and then we have the platform, that is plate A. The dimension of each plate is 14.8 by 19.5 centimeters. And along with this, you will get these two shims, which is very useful for intricate die cuttings, and a manual on which everything is written, how to use the plates, how to sandwich them according to the different kind of dies. And now I will show you the die cutting. So first you have to arrange your plate A in the bottom. Then I am taking here plate C first, then the cardstock, then my die which is facing to the cardstock, and then adding my plate B on top of this. So the sandwich should look like this. Put it inside the slot and start rotating your handle in one direction. Do it carefully and slowly, don't hustle it, and without any noise or without any struggle, you will get a smooth die cutting like a butter. Trust me. I have used many die cutting machines, but for the first time I got this smooth butter kind of die cutting. And can you see the embossed effect on the leaf, which is the specialty of this die? And you will get the mark on the plate C, and this is completely natural. Don't worry about this. It is because of the pressure of the die on your plate. So each time you will run the sandwich through your machine, you will get the impression of the die. But you don't worry about that. It is completely natural and it will not ruin your work. You can use this plate multiple times without any tension. So forget about the marks and just do the crafting. So this is all about the cardstock cutting. Now I'm proceeding to the foam cutting, that is the foamy round sheet, and for this I'm using this flower die from the same pack. Again doing the same sandwiching and cutting the flower. Again in 3 to 4 seconds I got this beautiful cutting. And see how crisp and how smooth this is. See how intricate this is looking. And now I am showing you the vellum cutting. So I'm taking another die from the same set. And we have the beautiful vellum leaf. Now I'm taking this velvet cloth and using this 5-petal flower die I'm cutting the velvet cloth as well. So you can cut fabrics, jute, felts, anything using this machine. And tada, the cutting is done. And you have the beautiful 5-petal flower is ready with you. You can make beautiful velvet roses using this die. Then I have this gold mirror cardstock with the chevron background die. And while using big dies, just put your dies diagonally on the base so that it will be easier for you to cut the base using big dies like this. So this is a quick tip for the day. Just use your dies diagonally if your dies are big in the size. And since this is big, so you have to run it from your machine twice or thrice just for the confirmation that the intricate design has been cut properly. And you can see from backside that it is cut or not. And yes, it's cut properly. And it's done, looking so gorgeous. So I have shown you gold mirror cardstock, velvet, vellum, foam and white cardstock. So try different mediums to cut from this machine and you will thoroughly enjoy this. Now you have one more B plate with this. So if your die size is thick in size, so avoid plate C. Just use 2 B plates. And if you are using intricate dies, then use C and B plate, and on top of this just use these shims. It will give more pressure to your dies while rotating through the machine and give you nice crisp die cutting each time. So this is all about the die cutting, and surely I will come with some more projects in the future. And this is all about my craft haul for today. And I'm super excited to use everything for my upcoming projects. So stay tuned and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. See you next time. Bye bye.